Hey y'all, this is my brother getting his new car, period. Taking it for a test drive. I'm just gonna let y'all see him take it for a test drive. But while we wait, here's my little fit. Ain't nothing special. This bag my sister got me, period. You can't even see it.
What's going on, YouTube? I know y'all don't know who I am. One of Julie's brothers. You know, oldest, not biggest, but oldest. You know what I'm saying? So, Julie Ann, y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe to her channel. But right now, I just got my car dropped off by Carvana. And you know, if you don't have the best credit in the world, and you looking for a solution to get a car, you looking for one struggling. You know, inflation is a motherfucker. So, if y'all looking for a car, go through Carvana. This free advertisement for Carvana, just because it's just a smooth, easy process, and everything worked out. So this is just me and my new car, you know what I'm saying? Much. I don't want to tell y'all too much, but no, I'm not even gonna tell y'all.
Tell him.
Huh?
Tell him.
It's embarrassing, man, but you know, when COVID hit, man, I lost my job and I got my car repoed. So I've been waiting for another car, and here it is, guy. And guess what? 2 weeks ago, I went through Honda. I went through Honda and Honda Fishers, and tried to get a Honda Civic because I like Hondas, and they, you know, American made, so they easy to replace parts. So I went with that way, but guess what? Honda said no because, you know, my credit ain't the best, so I would need a cosigner. I didn't want a cosigner, but anyway, I go through Carvana. They rejected me. They said no, you can't do it without a cosigner or a bigger down payment. I don't got the bigger down payment. I only got what I had. So anyway, I need a car right now. Went through Carvana. Easy, smooth process. Paid less than what I would have paid at Honda, and they approved me. Easy. Within a week, I got a car, and they dropped it off 2 days. Free promo drop for Carvana. Get the license plate.
What's this one?
Carvana, bring it back up. Carvana. All right, come on.
Mike is not. Aww. Micah.
She got a flight in the county to see me on way out of here. She got this stuff. Herman is ash with the dark, my ash.
Yummy. These are both mine? Thanks.
You don't mind? You didn't even take.
Yeah, what?
Wow. You offered hers. Hey, I gotta. What's going on, y'all? I ain't even talk to y'all. Say nothing to y'all. Gotta back it up real quick. They like this angle. They like this one. This is the angle. Maybe this one is. We're going crazy. New vlog. Road to 2 million. So we on the way. Road to 2 million. 2 million subscribers working on it. We at 1.5 right now. Got about 500 to go. Come on, man. Y'all already know the deal, man. We just pulled up. We at HTC right now. Road to 2 million. I'm gonna do a prank where I think I gotta pull up more. Look.
You gonna do a prank or what?
Where I start telling people, yeah, I got 2 million subscribers.
They gonna be like, oh man, let me take a picture.
Yeah, you didn't know who I was?
Sorry y'all for his bullshit. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what he's talking about. Look at my hair. It's getting long. Getting some or you're just looking?
Huh?
You're getting some or you're just...
Might get some.
Oh look, boom. Boom.
I think I'm about to get like some new shoes.
What you gonna get some for?
Just to buy
You're talking
some.
about me, nigga.
Yeah, I know, I'm bad, but I got a free $40 for the I got a free $40.
We at Dick's Burgers.
I got a free $40 for the rewards. I might get those.
Ew, those are ugly.
Nazareth getting Crocs or she getting Birkenstocks?
She's still looking, I think. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, now we at Kroger. Do I got shit for my braces? Okay, so my mom needed celery, where are you guys going next? You can't vlog.
I could vlog and shop at the same time.
Where would Lemon
Everything's gonna be right there. Yeah, right there. City on fire.
This could be this video.
No. Don't talk to me like we good. We not good. I'm not good with you. I'm good with y'all, but I'm not good with her for sure. Yeah, one of those. Nah, they'll last long.
It will? I don't know what mom's using it for.
Huh?
I don't know what she's using it for.
She's making a salad dressing.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Yeah. She said lemon or
Step on
lemon.
the nigga. Step on the nigga and some all white one. Micah big in him. You all on camera gonna cry? You gonna cry on
Yeah,
camera? This
don't
gonna be
show
this is gonna be on the internet. That means it's there forever.
Don't show them you a baby.
Yeah, man, you gotta grow up, man. Look, you gotta grow up, man. Yeah. Done shopping. On the way home. And we big chilling. Now we gotta put everything in the car. But after that, we good. No good lighting out here. They gonna be like, damn, he look like a next top model, boy.
Nigga.
AMT.
Nigga.
America's next top model. Step on a nigga. Look how short she is. She like this, then it's me, then it's her. She's short. And then Micah look like a big cinnamon Gerber baby. Gerber
Feels like
baby.
the Doughboy.
Like the cinnamon. You ain't reaching. What you reaching for? Nothing.
Look at my glasses. Period. What? No, I'm talking about this stuff over here. The cabbage and stuff? Why? There's no room in there? I'll be fly. 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 This would have matched my outfit kind of, huh?
It does.
I feel like it's more, it's a different kind of brown, but her. You know, there was a Her concert and a Dirk concert out here. Her and Dirk. I don't know who else though. That's crazy, huh?